We have revised our guidance upwards. The income is expected to be in the range of 5,429 to 5,496 crores. Earnings per share is expected to be in the range of 23.35 to 23.56. Overall for the year, the income is expected to be in the range of 21,961 to 22,055 crores. Actually, the numbers are actually better than what we started for the year, and the earnings per share is 99.6 rupees to 100 rupees. Again, better than what we projected. We have assumed a conversion rate of 47 rupees to a dollar. Considering the volatility in rupee, we said rather than using the quarter end, we are going to use 47 because the rupee is even higher than this at this point. In summary, the model has proved to be resilient. The model has come out to be very strong. Our strategy has been to build on our strengths, and I think that is starting to pay off. If you look at our ability to continue to focus on our clients, benefit from consolidation, benefit from all the challenges in the negotiations, etc., that have happened in these times, I think we've come out stronger. We have demonstrated that we're able to sustain our margins. So clearly, again, that shows the robustness and the strength of the model. We are confident that we're going to emerge stronger when the economy improves. We are sharpening our focus on research, development, IP-based solutions, new engagement models, so that we can be flexible, we can meet the expectations of our clients. The trends are there. We clearly see that, that trends like cloud computing, utility model and things like that. So we are preparing ourselves to take advantage of those things. We are expanding geographically, creating centers outside India. We are investing in sales, and we believe that our strength in managing large deals, managing large transformational projects, all will help us as the situation improves. Thank you, and we are now open for Q&A. Thanks.
Hi. This is Gautam Das from Deccan Chronicle. Chris, can you put a little more color on the environment and tell us if the era of degrowth, sequential degrowth is over? Are there enough deals in the market to say that? Thank you.
So if you look at this quarter, we are showing a volume growth of 2.3%, revenue growth of 2.8%. We have guided. If you look at the guidance, we've guided for a sequential growth of approximately 1% for the next 2 quarters. Next year, we'll come back to you at the end of this fiscal year. But clearly, this year we are saying that this growth, yes, it is a small growth, will continue for the next 2 quarters.
Can I ask, sir? Yeah, Mr. Balakrishnan? Or Mr. Sir, the project was... the projected revenue guidance, Mr. Gopal Krishnan, was average I took as 5366, but it is shown that you got 5585, an increase of 219. Could you explain from where you got this thing, in spite of the currency volatility? About marginal. What is it? For quarter 3, the guidance shows dip both sequentially and also fiscally.
Yeah.
And so I'd like to know what first is how this, in spite of the fiscal, the guidance that you gave for second quarter was 5366, but it has gone up to 5585. This 219 crore, how much is it because of the exchange rate and how much because of any?
Mainly because of the cross-currency rate. Because the cross-currency movements, dollar depreciated against all the major currencies. That gave something around $18 million extra revenues. That's why the rupee number is higher as compared to the guidance we are given.
So this is Shamik Paul from Business Line. Question on the business environment. Chris said that it's stable, but the clients are still cautious, but the second quarter numbers were good. So do you expect this growth momentum to continue, or is it a function of pent-up demand that gave deals in this particular quarter?
As we said, we are seeing a stability and caution both, and some decisions are being made. So that is what is driving the behavior. See, our guidance is a statement of facts as we see it today. So we are considering the current environment, the stability which we are seeing, the deal pipeline, and also the caution from the clients in their survey as well as remarks, and that is where the guidance is going. So based on that, we have guided you for 0.1 to 1% growth in Q3 and Q4. We believe that the environment will remain stable. At the same time, if there is an opportunity, to take more business or to engage with clients on more business, we will definitely do that. We are fully prepared. Our utilization is 73%. We have enough leeway in utilization. We are investing in sales and marketing. So we are fully prepared to take advantage of any opportunity which will come through.
No, my question was not answered, Mr. Gopal Krishnan. Sir, I was asking that when you have shown that from the projected guidance an increase of 217 crore, and you explained that because of the dollar depreciation against currencies, but for quarter 3 guidance again you show less, and then when you end up, you'll again end up more. That will be again because of the currency this thing, or is it any revenue coming? The question is, it continues to be flat or less than flat?
See, first thing to remember is we have assumed rupee-dollar exchange rate at 47. So there is an impact because of that. Now, will we end up more or not? See, as Shibu said, we have the capacity to take advantage of any opportunity we see. So if the business is continues to be robust, continues to be there, we could end up better. But right now, as we see it today, our model shows that we will have a revenue. That is what we have given us. So based on the model, this is the guidance which we have given.
Yeah, but the fiscal year guidance, on quarter again it has gone up substantially. It actually touched 220 billion from 217. What could that reason be? That you find more revenue coming in third and fourth quarter?
We have done better in the first half, right? And then we are saying that this momentum will give us better growth in the third and fourth quarter. So that is reflected in our guidance.
In spite of any fluctuation in the currencies, despite that?
No. Currency we have assumed to be 47 rupees to the dollar.
Right.
If currency moves, significantly down, significantly up, yes, it will have an impact in spite of the hedging, etc. we have today. Our assumption is the exchange rate is 47 for modeling purposes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
A question for Mr. Balakrishnan. What is your hedging position, and do you continue with the short-term strategy, or do you intend to change it in any way?